Let's now make chocolate ganache. For chocolate ganache, we need 2 parts of dark chocolate roughly chopped and 1 part of fresh cream. You can take any fresh cream that is available. So now we are going to melt these both. Let's microwave it for 30 seconds. Let's check now. So the chocolate ganache is perfectly ready now. We will allow it to set before piping it on our cupcakes. I have wrapped the ganache with a cling film, so it has to be done this way. The cling wrap should touch the surface of the ganache. We'll now set this chocolate ganache at room temperature for near about half an hour and then we can pipe it.